All right, hello there. About to make our way down the Granite Basin here. James, give him a shot of where we're going to. Gonna slide down this snow, down into that basin. Give him a wide shot of the basin, if you will, James. Thank you. All right, so I've got my pack on. I've got my pole nice and short to dig into the ice to stop me when I get out of control, which I definitely will be going out of control, 50 miles per hour down this thing. All right, so we'll start on our feet, get right down quick. All right, see you at the bottom. Here we go. Woo! Woo!